I actually only have one pair of heels.
What? Are you joking? So for this month's style challenge, Lou and I are doing something a little bit different. We've been to Zara, picked out our favourite pieces, and we're going to do an unboxing.
I'm so excited. This feels very old school.
I know.
I'm here for it.
Also, we have no idea what each other have picked, so it's going to be a complete surprise. I can't wait to see what you've got. Right, do you want to go first?
Yes. Also, can I say, it's Zara's 50th anniversary. Like, 50 years of Zara.
I didn't feel like it's been around for that long.
No. Anyway, the anniversary collection is very nice. It's very monochrome and like beautiful tailoring and simple
they've got like
pieces.
50 of the top like models.
The best models
Ever.
Yeah.
To be in the campaign. But anyway, back to us.
Okay, first, oh, this is so you.
This is very me, I can see already.
Sheer, big news.
Yeah,
even for spring summer. I think it also
nice.
comes in a white sheer as well.
Yeah.
But I think that like in an evening when you're on holiday and it's got a slit at the back, super chic. How would you wear that?
Really nice. So I would have big black pants on, or probably like big black bikini bottoms, because that's a great tip.
Yeah.
And then I'd actually have a bralette.
Cute.
To get the abs out.
Yeah, I think I would probably go like black swimsuit.
Yeah.
To cover
body,
the abs,
yeah.
or lack of.
Yeah.
And then maybe like a big, loose, oversized like poplin shirt.
Yeah, that would look so nice. And then I've also worn this and styled it for the office. So like big black pants, but then a big oversized blazer that obviously like covers the pants.
So chic. I've actually got quite a lot of skirts.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's my turn. Yay! Right.
Lucky
Speaking
dip.
of holiday.
Ooh.
How cute is
Yeah, I
this
love that.
shell bag, well, clutch.
I think the high street is particularly good at like a fun bag.
Yeah, it is.
Like
And
you
that's
don't need to
actually-
spend a lot of money on it.
No, and it's giving kind of like the Cult Gaia vibes,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? But like a fraction of the price.
Would you wear it with the strap or without?
I think, do you know what? So if I was going to a wedding, I feel like I'd wear it with the strap.
Okay.
On holiday, I think I'd have it as a clutch, because
Yeah.
like I'd be going to dinner and like more evening vibes.
I
but
feel like generally the additional strap is never necessary.
no,
I always think
it's
it's cooler
not.
without.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to show you two skirts now because they're kind of like a yin and yang of each other.
Okay.
So the first one is this. I love that like knitted overlay. It's kind of giving me like 90s like skirt over trouser.
Yeah.
But like the modern way to do it.
Yeah, I've actually tried that on.
Oh.
Because it has a matching top.
Okay,
It has
and?
a matching knitted waistcoat. It was one of the ones, it looks better off than it did on.
Oh.
Yeah, on me
okay.
anyway, but I love the colour.
Yeah, I love the colour, and also I really like that that's knitted. I feel
Yeah.
like it just gives it a bit more like structure, because sometimes they can be quite sheer and sexy, whereas I feel like that is quite elegant.
I love the dimensions.
Then there's this one,
Oh, I love this.
which at first when I opened it, I was like, is it a bandeau dress or is it a skirt? But I think it is a skirt. And I feel like this is a kind of like a little bit softer, a bit more feminine than this one.
Knitted, yeah, and also a very spring summer.
Yes.
Obviously it's white, it's this bit's more linen-y.
Yeah,
like,
this is kind of more like boho,
Yeah.
and this is like a little bit more like sexy chic.
Yeah, love that.
Bit of vibe, right?
How would you style that one?
I would again like keep it quite monochrome, and I would maybe go with like a black tang.
Yeah.
I'm really into the idea of this year of wearing a black bandana on my hair on holiday.
Oh,
I know.
I'm into that. Aren't these amazing?
Yeah, I
I'm
love
really into this whole peep toe thing that's going on at the moment. Very Alaya.
I'm after
So-
a pair of white shoes, so you'll see I think I've got like 3 pairs of white shoes. That's a really good colour.
Yeah.
I really like them. And that's like quite a good heel. Like it's high, but it's not like,
It's not crazy.
it's not crazy. I mean,
Yeah.
Nana can walk in anything, but. And I like the square.
And then these, I just think these are amazing. I actually want these to go with this outfit.
Okay, fine.
This is actually from Zara.
Yeah.
And I would, like I've got kind of similar shoes on
Yeah,
here,
yeah, lush.
But I love the gold.
They also look really vintage.
Yeah.
Like if you told me you just picked them up like on Portobello,
Yeah,
I
you
would
believe,
not
yeah,
believe you.
you believe that.
So I don't have just like a black thong sandal.
Yeah.
I actually only have one pair of heels.
What? Are you joking? No, you don't. That's
No.
a lie. So all of your other shoes are flat shoes?
Or boots.
Oh, okay, boots. But yeah, still.
Yeah, I know, wild. But I really like the thong sandal for the summer, and I think a black heeled version incredibly useful.
Yeah, 100%. Like I have these. Also, this is really cushioned, and they will just go with so much.
And they're like £30.
Right, we're moving on to clothes. I have got these amazing
oh my god, I love them.
Tailored
they would
trousers.
look so good with your shirt right now.
I know, well this is it. You can't go wrong with a pair of wide leg tailored trousers. And yeah, I just absolutely love the colour. And yeah, they would go so well with this shirt. Good. So I've also got a pink and blue striped shirt that's also from Zara.
Love.
That would go really well.
So good. I've actually just bought my first pair of bright. They're not bright.
They're not, but I've seen them. They're not quite pink. They're like the lightest
blush, but they are pink. So I'm joining the gang.
They're joining the pink gang, yeah.
Okay, so this, I thought it was so cool. I love the neckline on that. I feel like this is literally your worst nightmare.
Yeah. Like, I'm trying to see something, like, say something like,
like, but I think that in like styled in a really like boy, like androgynous way, like tomboy way. Like I would wear like red jelly shoes and like loads of like beaded bangles and my Wayfarers and
Wayfarers
like
would make it cool.
Yeah?
Yeah. I can see it because I was like, she wearing this to the office?
No, not to the office. Like, on holiday, or like, you know, if you're staying somewhere that, you know, walk into a little town and like have a drink and you don't want to, it's not like evening.
I think I love everything. I think it's the bib bit that's throwing me.
Okay.
Like, I love the embroidery, like this kind of.
That's weirdly the bit I like the least.
Oh, is it? Like,
this is good, we're showing you a bit of everything.
What else we got? Right, this.
Ooh, I love the look of that.
Just a really cute kind of knitted.
Is that navy or black?
This is it. It's navy.
Love that.
Yeah, it's navy.
I like it even more now I know it's navy.
How cool would that look with the gold shoes?
Yeah, so cool.
Like,
I would do it with like the white, or just with
white.
Maybe that's
black,
a bit of me.
Yeah, that is you.
And also I like that it's like knitted, so you like, if you hate dressing up, then having something like that can make you feel a bit more comfortable.
Yeah, exactly.
But it still gives like the illusion of LBD.
Yeah, of being dressed up. So yeah, this little navy.
Love. Oh, this was my fun accessory.
Oh, I have this bag.
What?
Yeah, this is, you know, I'm going to Greece this week. This is definitely going to come with me.
Yeah, like that's like the perfect holiday occasion wear, but yeah, that's got an additional strap.
Yeah, that would never. I would not have the strap with that.
So cute though, and also the noise.
I know, it's so great. Oh my god, I love that you picked that.
Yeah, I love it.
So this one, this is actually. See, you know how much I love a suit, a bit of tailoring. Obviously, I've spoken a million times about how much I love yellow this season.
Yeah, amazing.
I think
great shape.
Yeah, really great shape. And Zara just do suits so well. It's obviously got more of a fluted type of.
It's almost like a collar, but without the lapel.
Yeah.
I couldn't think of anything that would look worse on me. Genuinely. I'm going to bring out all my shoes. Okay, option 1, you can help me pick.
They were in my basket.
They're in your basket?
Yeah. Didn't get them. Look how soft that leather is. I know, I could kind of tell from the picture.
Okay, you hold this one first.
Yeah.
They're kind of blushy.
Again, I saw these. So on the podcast the other week, I was talking about mules from Mango, and Mango that I've got. They're very similar to this.
Okay.
I've got some Zara ones. Again, they're so comfortable. Like this heel is basically nothing to me. But these, seeing them in real life, I want white, and because they're a bit off.
Yeah, and also I don't know how I feel about patent.
I don't mind patent.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm into it.
And then final ones.
I tried to get these and they were sold out.
Oh,
so you
they're
must
a
have
bit
got
grey to me. I'm a bit disappointed by the colour on them.
Yeah, you
I
wanted
really
white.
like the shape.
Yeah,
like they kind of feel quite like 50s. And I like the little peep toe.
Yeah, I love the peep toe, and I love a sling back as well.
Yeah, but the colour,
the colour's off. Imagine those in white.
Yeah, like perfection.
That would be
perfection. Zara, if you're watching.
Yeah, let's make them in white.
What's next?
It's very nice. It's my last one.
Oh,
we have got this red number, which is one of those ones I don't know. I kind of need to see it on, but obviously I just love the colour.
Ooh, the drama.
Yeah.
Did you see Rosie Huntington-Whiteley at Cannes?
Yes.
In that red dress?
Yeah.
I'm getting that vibe. Oh, I think that's gonna look amazing on.
Yeah.
I absolutely am obsessed with this like covered and then sheer look. I've just got a really beautiful dress from Tove, which has got that in like a lemon butter. It's like so beautiful.
That sounds divine. Yeah, so this, again, I don't really know where I'm going in this. right now. I don't have an occasion for it, but
one will come up.
Yeah, well, exactly.
Okay, then my final is like another fun like party piece.
Oh, I love that.
Isn't that
and
so
that's like
cool?
knitted as well.
Yeah, so like knitted and comfortable, but like massive sequins.
I would wear that to work, like with like a t-shirt.
Love it.
I'd wear that to work with a t-shirt, really small, like silver slingback hidden heels.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me on a night out, basically. Okay, if you had to steal one of my pieces, what would you steal?
Or
the white dress.
Not the white dress. What else was there?
Oh, the sheer skirt. I felt like that was quite you.
It would be one of the skirts.
Okay, I really like this navy. I think this
is
a really fun vibe and it's like really chic.
So cute. Please let us know in the comments what your favourite piece was. I would love to know.
And everything will be linked in the notes below if you do want to shop anything.
Also, what do you want us to do next? Please let us know in the comments.
It's going to be styling each other, I think.
Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.